And they're already coming to see me this morning. Well, good morning, everybody. I'm gonna wait for everybody to show up here or what? Huh? Should we wait up more? Well, here they come. Good morning. I didn't even walk up, a tenth of a mile yet. How you guys doing? Well, come on. Come on, guys. You wanna go for a walk? It's not even 7 a.m. yet. Let's go, guys. Let's go for a walk. There we go. You follow me along today? Follow me along on this walk? Come on, guys. Let's go. We got things to do. We got to get 8 miles in, fellas. You guys ready? Let's do it.